we'll discuss about points. Before learning about points, let's have a look at iOS device screens. As you can see on the screen, there are versions of iOS from iPhone 1 to iPhone 11. It has different screen sizes and it will be noted as points. Now you'll get a question. Do I need to design all the screen sizes every time when I design a mobile application? My answer is no. The most common screen size for iOS is 375 into 667, which is nothing but an iPhone 8 screen size. Now let's understand about points. A point is a measure of designers to compare the sizes of fonts and UI elements across all iOS devices to make it responsive. We call points as PT. A pixel is an individual dot of light in the display in mobile devices, which is called as pixel or px. A smaller pixels mean a clear image, which is a great, but if you can make your pixel smaller, everything on the screen smaller too. For example, here you can see three resolutions of the same logo. The first logo is created and the second and third one is exported to make the logo responsive across all the iOS devices. To balance these, designers measure the size of elements on the screen in points. Let's see how it works in a mobile device. As you can see, one screen, many resolutions means you are going to design one device screen and you are going to export it for many devices. Let us say I have created 1x screen resolution which is a 320 pixel and 480 pixel. So according to the scale factor, it will be under 1x size. When it comes to iPhone 6, 7, 8, it has 375 points width and 667 points height. According to the scale factor, its resolution is into 2 times of first device size. So the mobile screen size is 2 times than actual screen size. When you see the iPhone X, it has 375 points width and 812 points height. So based on the screen factor, its resolution is 3 times of its actual mobile device size. So whenever you are going to design, you are going to design only for single screen, and when you are exporting, you have to export it in into 2 times or into 3 times to make it responsive in all the devices.